Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how you can enable the angle snipping in your mouse no matter which company mouse you own, whether it is Razer Synapsys or you even have an HP mouse. So let's go ahead and proceed with the tutorial. First of all, you need to download a program with the name Intel Excel. Open it and you need to unzip the files. So let's create a new folder first and then just drag and drops all the files inside this particular folder into the newly created folder. Once you have unzipped the files, you need to open the folder with the name one.driver, and here you will find driver underscore install. You need to double click to run it. It will ask you for admin privilege, so just go ahead and provide the admin privilege and it will successfully installed as it is saying right over here. Once it is installed, make sure to restart your PC to make the changes taken place, else this command will not work. So make sure to restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, one more thing friends, another requirement of this particular program is to make sure you have the Microsoft Visual C++ in your system. If you have not installed, I will share the link of this website in the description of this video. Simply scroll down and depending on the type of system you have, for 32-bit choose this particular link, and for 64 version choose this particular link. Simply click on it, save it into a system and install it to make sure that this program will run correctly. I have already installed Microsoft Visual C++, that's why this program is running perfectly in my PC. So again, if you have an 64-bit system, open this particular folder. If you have 32-bit, open this particular folder. So I have a 64-bit, so I'll go ahead and open 64-bit folder and I'll run Intel GUI by double clicking on it. First of all, as soon as you start this particular program, it may ask you to provide mouse rate as well as DPI. And if you do not know how to calculate, just open up a browser and here is the website. Simply click on this start button and it will calculate the average mouse rate for you. Just scroll your mouse in this circular motion to calculate the average DPI. Do it a minimum for 1 minute to calculate the exact DPI of your mouse. So it would be around 130. So I'll go ahead and type in 130, the DPI rate of my mouse. And one more thing, it may ask you to provide a mouse rate. So again, here is the website to calculate the mouse rate. Simply scroll down and here in the target distance, simply type 1, which means you need to move your mouse 1 inch. And how do you move that? Click on this circle and now simply move your mouse to a single inch to calculate the exact DPI. As soon as you move your mouse to 1 inch, it will tell you your actual DPI. At my end, it is 205. In order to move your mouse 1 inch, simply take a piece of paper and draw 1 inch line. And then use that piece of paper as your mouse pad and then move your mouse to 1 inch to calculate the exact DPI. After entering the DPI, it will open up this particular interface and here is angle snipping. All you need to do is to do a hit and trial method to which method works best for you. You need to start a minimum of value 10. Once you hit the value 10, hit preview changes and hit the save changes button. I'll go ahead and show you its output. In this paint, if I draw a line, it is pretty much accurate but not totally accurate. So again, I have to change its value to something like 24 and I hit the save changes. One more thing friends, do not enter the value more than 50, else you will not able to play your game perfectly due to the more motion while moving in the game. So if I choose 24, you can see now I get a more better line. So that means 24 is much accurate option for me. So I'll go ahead and save these changes. This way you need to do a hit and trial method by entering the value here in between 10 to 50, which suits better while gaming for you. This will help drastically in FPS games like in Valorant. Now in order to download this particular program, you need to head over to your browser and open this website, which I will share you in the description of this video. Scroll down and click on the option download latest version. Again scroll down and here is Intel Excel.zip file. Click on it and save it into a system. I have already downloaded and saved this particular file, which is here it is. Just go ahead and unzip like I have shown you right over here and proceed with enabling the angle snapping in your Windows PC for any mouse. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.